Brother, I'm so angry. Why are you sleeping, brother? Why are you sleeping? I told you. What is that, brother? I told you I sleep first. And then you guard the house. How can I smash if someone comes to the house, steal some food, brother? But there you are, you sleep. I tell you, brother, if some intruder carries you, first you bite and then you grapple. When you what the fuck? You grapple, you choke, and then you bite, and then you smash, brother. But why you sleep? And then you don't say something to me, brother. I kiss you. Okay, go back to sleep, brother. Before I smash you.